Today we've got some big news from BlackRock. Yes, the world's largest asset manager. They've come out and said that Bitcoin is a unique diversifier amid all the geopolitical, fiscal, and political risks we're seeing in the world right now. So let's dive into what BlackRock is saying, why this matters, and what the crypto community thinks about it. All right, let's jump into the main story. BlackRock, which manages a mind-blowing $9 trillion in assets, has stated that Bitcoin is a unique diversifier in the face of growing global risks. Now, this is coming from a company that hasn't always been super bullish on Bitcoin in the past. But with everything happening in the world, from political instability to economic uncertainty, they're now saying Bitcoin could be a solid way to diversify your portfolio. BlackRock pointed out that Bitcoin stands out compared to traditional assets because it's decentralized, not tied to any government or central bank, and can act as a hedge against things like inflation or currency fluctuations. And with all the chaos going on globally, people are looking for alternative ways to protect their wealth, and Bitcoin is starting to look more and more attractive. So why is this such a big deal? Well, it's BlackRock. They're not they are the biggest player in the world when it comes to asset management, and when they speak, the entire financial world listens. But by calling Bitcoin a unique diversifier, they're essentially validating what a lot of us in the crypto space have been saying for years, that Bitcoin can be a hedge against traditional market risks. And let's not forget, BlackRock has also been making moves in the crypto space themselves. They filed and successfully launched a Bitcoin ETF and have been showing increasing interest in digital assets. This statement could be seen as them laying the groundwork for even more involvement in the crypto world. Let's take a look at how the crypto community is reacting to this news. Over on X, Reddit, and across various different forums, people are excited, especially Bitcoin holders. A lot of folk are saying that this is exactly the kind of mainstream acknowledgement Bitcoin needs to go even more mainstream. When a company as big as BlackRock says something positive about Bitcoin, it adds a whole new layer of legitimacy. However, there are also some skeptics out there. Some are pointing out that while it's great to see big institutions like BlackRock talking about Bitcoin, we still need to be very cautious. They're saying that BlackRock is likely looking to profit from the growing interest in Bitcoin, and that might not always align with the decentralized ethos that Bitcoin was built on. So, while the news is mostly positive, there's always some sense of let's wait and see. So, what does this mean for Bitcoin moving forward? In the short term, this kind of endorsement from BlackRock could lead to increased interest from institutional investors. We've already seen how institutional money can impact Bitcoin's price and market stability. And if more big players start seeing Bitcoin as a serious investment option, we could be in for some exciting times. In the long run, this could help Bitcoin solidify its position as a mainstream asset. If BlackRock and other institutions continue to push the narrative that Bitcoin is a hedge against geopolitical and financial risks, we might see Bitcoin becoming a more permanent fixture in traditional portfolios. That could lead to more adoption, better infrastructure, and hopefully more regulatory clarity, which the market desperately needs. BlackRock's statement on Bitcoin being a unique diversifier is definitely something to pay attention to, especially as more people look for ways to navigate these uncertain times. What do you think? Will this push Bitcoin further into the mainstream, or is this just another step for big institutions to capitalize in on the hype? Drop your thoughts in the comments down below or join us in our free Discord server. We would love to hear from you. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, and if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and ring that bell so you never miss another update. And guys, if you haven't done so already, check out the video just over here. It's not one you're going to want to miss.